Hey Shepherd Rams, today I'm going to give y'all a quick run through on how exactly you sign up for your Fall 2020 courses. First, you'll go to Shepherd's homepage and click the Rail quick link at the top of the page. Then you will scroll down and click the Login to Rail tab. Then you will log in using your student ID and password that was set by yourself. If you are locked out of your account, please contact the registrar to have them reset your password to your 6-digit birthday. Once logged on, you'll click on the Student tab on the page. From there, you will click on Registration. Then you will select Add or Drop Classes. For Fall, use the code that is assigned to you from your advisor. You will then click the drop-down and select the Fall 2020 semester. Then you will enter in the CRN codes for your courses that you have selected with the approval of your advisor. Once you have entered in those codes, you will click Submit Changes. If all your courses go through, it should show you your current schedule right there on the middle of the page. If there is an error, it will say Registration Add Errors, and where it says Status, it will tell you the error. If you need an override for a course, please contact the department chair of that subject. Once finished, click Confirm Schedule on the bottom of the screen. If you have any other questions about the advising process, please email us at advising@shepherd.edu and keep an eye out for more helpful videos. Have a great day!